This is the Henry Jones Hotel, which is probably Hobart's premier hotel. Location is brilliant, it's right on the wharf. Can't get much better. It used to be the old IXL jam factory, and legend has it that when they first changed it to a hotel, that on hot days the jam used to seep out of the walls. I wonder if that's true. Some of the original walls. Ceiling is peppered with the new art. Let's test the theory out about the jam. Apricot. Yum. Can someone get me some toast?